Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your Advance Auto Parts Workday account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here, and at the search bar type in Advance Auto Parts Workday and then hit enter. After that, find this URL advanceauto.wd5.myworkdayjobs.com and click on careers-myworkdayjobs.com. After that, you will be redirected to another page, and at the top right corner you can see sign in option. Click on that. After clicking on it, you need to type your email address and password. Now click on sign in option. Now click on sign in button and you can log into your Advance Auto Parts Workday account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.